Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase productivity with SAP Cloud Platform, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the unique features of SAP Cloud Platform. Familiarize yourself with its integration capabilities and development tools. Explore the application design principles supported by the platform. Sign up for a trial account to get hands-on experience. Log into the SAP Cloud Platform dashboard to navigate its interface. Identify the tools that align with your productivity needs. Utilize the SAP Business Application Studio for application development. Create a new project by selecting the appropriate templates. Incorporate business services to enhance your applications. Connect to data sources using the SAP HANA database. Monitor performance metrics through the built-in monitoring tools. Implement user authentication features to ensure security. Utilize APIs to integrate with other SAP and third-party applications. Set up workflows to automate repetitive tasks. Leverage analytics tools to gain insights into your processes. Encourage collaboration within your team using shared development spaces. Utilize version control systems for better project management. Regularly update your applications based on user feedback. Explore SAP Fiori user experience guidelines to improve usability. Apply best practices for security and compliance during development. Engage with the SAP community for support and additional resources. Consider training sessions or certifications to enhance your skills further. Continuously assess and optimize your applications for better performance. Set clear goals for productivity improvements and track your progress. Allocate time for regular reviews of your applications and workflows. Create documentation for processes to streamline knowledge sharing. Stay updated with the latest features and updates from SAP. Use the platform's resources and community forums for troubleshooting and enhancements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.